The Morrisons sale saga has finally come to an end. US private equity group Clayton, Dubilier and Rice has triumphed in the 4-month-long takeover battle for Morrisons with a bid of £9.97 billion, including debt. The sale was sealed by an auction process on Saturday, and CD&R won the bidding with a 287p a share offer to beat Fortress Investment. The rare auction was launched as neither of the bidders declared their offers final, and this was the biggest auction since Comcast outbid 21st Century Fox and Disney in a £30 billion face-off for Sky 3 years ago. CD&R had been courting Morrisons since June and raised its offer to £7 billion after an initial £5.5 billion pitch was rejected, just as Fortress made its first takeover approach in May. Looking at the details of the deal, CD&R is paying a 61% premium to the price of Morrisons shares before the saga begun. The total transaction value is 11.8 times the group's underlying profit for the year to January 2021. And the advisors to CD&R aren't doing too badly either, as they'll be picking up an estimated £400 million in fees. For a bit of background on CD&R, they are one of the world's oldest private equity firms, founded in the US in 1978. The firm is advised by former Tesco boss Sir Terry Leahy, who has been involved in the Morrisons bid. They already kept quite busy, starting in 2013 when they acquired a 60% stake in British discount chain B&M. And they also hold stakes in companies including Envision Healthcare, the Hertz Corporation, US Foods and Lexmark, and also own petrol station giant Motor Fuel Group. Talking about the future, CD&R and Fortress have both promised to maintain Morrisons' Bradford headquarters and its management team. They also committed to keep its freehold portfolio containing over 400 stores and staff pay rates, although the commitments are not legally binding. In the run-up to the deal, one problem had been raised by pension trustees who warned the bidders that a proposed debt-fueled buyout would materially weaken Morrisons' ability to support the retirements of 85,000 current and former workers. So the trustees then struck a deal with CD&R to pledge more properties to its pension schemes. Looking at the broader picture, there is a clear private equity assault in the UK. And to this point, there are two key takeaways from this story. Number one is that there is a huge interest in British assets and companies, particularly from private equity firms. And number two is that these assets are relatively cheap compared to those in other big economies, and this makes them very attractive. Indeed, Morrisons is only the latest of a series of takeovers in the UK by private equity firms. In February, billionaire Issa Brothers and buyout firm TDR Capital sealed a £6.8 billion takeover for Asda. Fortress itself will also keep looking around for deals. Its managing partner, Joshua Pack, said the UK remains a very attractive investment environment. So this raises questions as to whether others like Sainsbury's, M&S or even Tesco may be next. And the wave of takeovers doesn't stop with retailers. The UK has seen takeovers in defence manufacturers and engineers just this year. In fact, a private equity bid for defence company Ultra Electronics is currently being examined by the competition watchdog, while the government is also monitoring a $6.3 billion takeover of engineering firm Meggitt by US rival Parker Hannifin. So could someone like easyJet or ITV be next? As we said, the UK remains very cheap compared to other markets around the world. The FTSE 100 is only just above its 1999 peak, whilst Germany's DAX or France's CAC 40 have doubled or even tripled in value since then, and the S&P 500 is up by over 200%. Private equity buyers spent £74 billion on UK firms in the first half of 2021, which is the highest for 5 years. Until the UK market remains a bargain, more and more offers will come in for British businesses from foreign firms. But what do you think this sale means for the future of UK businesses? Do you think more and more UK businesses will be sold to foreign firms? Let us know your thoughts in the comments, and if you enjoyed this video, drop us a like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you next time.